Hello friends, in this tutorial I am going to demonstrate how to add data into a JTable from various Java Swing components using NetBeans. You can see that I have already designed a JFrog which has 5 different text box, 1 spinner, 1 button and 1 table. You can see each text box has their different names: JTPC, JTPN, JTPrice, peer, JSQT for the spinner box, for the total JTOT, for the total amount GT grow, and for the table JTable1. Now what is my intention to do this program is that when I'll give the price, if I run that program, you can see I'll give the product code, product name, and I'll give the price. If I give the price 10 and if I change the state of this spinner, automatically 6 into 10, 60 will come in this total variable. So for that reason I have to write a method. So first you have to go to the quantity, event, change, state event. I have to define two integer variables to accept the value from price and quantity spinner box. So first int pr for the price and name of the price text box. You can see the name of the price text box jtpr. So I'll write jtpr dot get text, and this whole things will convert into integer integer per c int. This whole things will convert into integer. Next I have to take the quantity, so int qt is equal to that also I will convert into integer int typecasting. The name of the spinner is jsqt dot get value, enter, semicolon. Then I'll display this multiplication into this text box. So name of this JTOT. So I will write JTOT dot set text is equal to I have to convert it into string dot value of PR means price asterisk qt. Now after that if I run this program, you can see I had given the price for this 10 rupees and I increase the quantity, 30 is coming. Now when I click on the insert into table button, that records all the records, product code, product name, all will come in this JTable. So for that reason I have to write a code against of this button or method. I have to write right click events action perform. Now here you have to, so first you have to create an object of the default table model. Default table model, the name of that object is dtm is equal to new default table model function semicolon, and it will show some error message on the left hand side. So you have to import your java x swing.table default table model. After doing that, you have to initialize that thing. DTM is equal to typecasting table model, all things home j table 1 dot get model function. Now I have to add records into this thing. So dtn dot add row new object here. I'll send all the values from text box to the table. So first column is table product code, so it would be jtpc dot get text. Next, product name, so text box value is jtpn product name dot get text. Then I want to send spinner value comma product code product name price, so jtpr dot price get text comma jsqt quantity dot get value dot to string. Then I have to send the total, so total is in this variable, so the name of this j dot dot get text function. I have received all the values and store it into this variable. Now let me run this program. So product code P001, name of the product is pen, each pen price is 10 rupees, so 30 50 for 5, insert into it has been added. Now if I go for the next, again this value is existing, so I will remove this value and along with that I will do the total calculation for this also. So what I will go to, I will go after that, so my value will come here, so source code I will define int sum is equal to 0 semicolon to count each record total. So I have to use a for loop for int I is equal to 0 semicolon I less than j table 1 dot row count get row count function semicolon I plus plus opening brace for this and closing brace also. So now I do sum is equal to sum plus integer dot parse int whom I want to convert j table 1 dot get value at row number is indicating by I comma column number is 4 function dot to string semicolon. So my sum will come, then I have to make then I have to put this sum into the jtext box. So the name of this box is jtgro gross dot set text is equal to, I have to convert it integer integer to string whom I want to convert sum. Now I have to make each and every text box value free, so I will write jtpc dot set text is equal to null. Then I have to go for jtpn product name dot set text dot set text null, then quantity jsqt dot set value is equal to 0 then I'll go for JTPR price dot set text is equal to null, and total also. For total I will give J dot total also set text is equal to null, and I'll bring my mouse pointer in the JT product code dot request focus. Now after running this program, P001 product name is pen, each pen price is 10 rupees. I have taken 3 pens 30 rupees. Now you can see all the text box get free. So P002, that's eraser, each eraser price is 5 rupees and I have taken 4, so 20. So 30 plus 20, 50 is coming here. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel and click on the notification bell